What's wrong, babe? You hardly touched your grapefruit cheese square. Hello, my name is AJ and this is Deliciously Awkward, and have I got a special treat for you guys today. Another recipe from my grandmother's Better Homes and Gardens salad cookbook from 1958. Grapefruit cheese squares. Sounds completely disgusting, but once you dive in, it doesn't seem that bad. Essentially, it's 2 layers of lemon flavored Jello with grapefruit slices mixed in, with a layer of cream cheese and walnuts in between. And I realize it sounds completely disgusting. So I made it all yesterday and it's been in the fridge overnight. So I'm kind of excited to try it, but before I do, I'll show you how it came together. So originally I was going to give a very detailed overview of every single step, but I realized that would be way too long and boring. And let's face it, none of you watching this are actually going to make this recipe. So instead, let's rush through it and go right to the tasting. So here is the finished product. That does not look appealing at all. Hopefully it tastes better than it looks. Then again, I'm kind of worried that it's just going to be really sour. I mean, it's lemon flavored Jello, grapefruit chunks, cream cheese without any sugar added to it. So let's cut into this monstrosity. And I should point out the recipe says to serve over lettuce. So I have my plate all ready. I don't know why, maybe this is what qualifies what would normally seem like a dessert as a salad. Yeah, I'm surprised it actually held together. Now, looks so weird. Looks like salmon. Okay, got everything on the fork, even some lettuce. I'm gonna take another bite before I make my judgment. Okay, so I have my 2 bites of this. It wasn't as bad as I thought. Like, part of me was hoping that I'd be like really pleasantly surprised and be like, wow, this is amazing. But no, it doesn't really work. The grapefruit, even though it's ruby red grapefruit, it still has that bitterness to it. The lemon Jello is fine. But that layer of cream cheese, I think it needs some sugar mixed in. I think that would make it better. But walnuts are totally unnecessary. If I were to make this again, which I don't think I would, I would leave out the walnuts, add sugar to the cream cheese, maybe replace the grapefruit with orange slices, canned orange slices. Those aren't that bad. But yeah, overall, again, not as bad as I thought, just not necessarily good. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video. I definitely had fun making it, despite the end result not being as good as I kind of hoped, although exactly how I expected it to be. But anyway, really appreciate it if you hit the subscribe button, give me a like, leave me a comment, let me know what you think. And until next time, remember to embrace the awkward.